In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vertically align text and images in Google Sites. When you're designing a page in Google Sites, it's common to want your text to line up nicely next to an image, so that both feel balanced and professional. The challenge is that Google Sites doesn't include a simple vertical center button for this, especially when you're placing text alongside an image in the same section. But with a small workaround and some careful positioning, you can get a very clean, vertically aligned layout. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see a list of your existing sites, along with an option to create a new one. Take a moment to locate the site you want to work on. If you're just testing things out, you can also create a blank site so you don't accidentally change anything important. Next, click on the site you want to edit. This will open the site in the Google Sites editor, where you can see all of your sections, images, and text boxes. Make sure you're on the page where you want the text and image to be aligned. If not, use the page list on the right-hand side to navigate to the correct page. Now click on the text or image that you want to align. You can start with either one. When you click on an element, you'll see a blue outline appear around it, along with small handles that let you drag and reposition it. This is what we'll use to visually line up the elements. The key idea here is that since there's no automatic vertical centering, you're going to manually place the text box and the image so that they sit directly in line with each other. To do that, click and hold on the text box or image you want to move and drag it directly above or below the corresponding element. As you drag, Google Sites will show helpful guidelines that appear when things are roughly aligned. Position the elements so that the top and bottom spacing between the text and the image feels balanced. You may need to try a couple of small adjustments. Drag it slightly up, then slightly down, until it looks visually centered next to the other element. Take your time here and use the preview option to see how it will look to your visitors. Once you're happy with the placement, you've effectively vertically aligned your text and image in Google Sites using manual positioning and the built-in alignment guides.